This is Bucky with Carolina Tractor Works on location in Red Springs, North Carolina. We have got to maintain we have cleaned up the right of way along the fence line, leveled out a little bit of dirt, spread out some rock. This bush hogging, all that was growed up slime when you couldn't see down through there. And we got everything cleaned up, mowed down, big old pile of brush and everything down yonder. There was an old section of chain link fence out here. We got it moved and all. They gonna set 2 more containers right here. They gonna put one up against that and stop right there where that biggest pad sitting at. Then the second one's gonna go right here where this little pad sitting at and butt up against the other one where we can store the rider cars on. Get them out in the weather. That's Wesley you see walking around out there. He doing a little bit of touch-up work and all. But this is Bucky with Carolina Tractor Works on location in Red Springs, North Carolina, wrapping up a job on a Thursday afternoon. Y'all like our stuff? Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share them with your friends. And all, like I said, if you enjoy our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Be safe. We're out of here.